Hi again, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. It's sunny and bright outside. For today's recipe, it is two-tone chocolate moringa muffins. The chocolate layer has raisin, while the moringa layer has chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Check out the full video. And I'll see you soon again. Bye. In two separate bowls, this is 1 cup of flour with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half tablespoon of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt, while the other one is 1 cup of flour, half tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of moringa powder with a little pinch of salt, and we're just gonna mix them, separately. They completely combine. For one of the wet ingredients, this is 1 egg, half cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and 1/4 cup of lilac jelly. We're just gonna mix it until combined. This is for the chocolate mixture, and then we're just gonna put it onto our chocolate mixture. While for the moringa, this is 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of oil, and half cup of milk plus 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Also 1/4 cup of lilac jelly, don't forget. Put it onto dry ingredients and mix it until just combine. Grease with melted butter, and then we're gonna drop in the chocolate batter first. Top it with some raisin, and then we're gonna top it with moringa batter, like so, and top it with chocolate chips. Now bake it for 18 to 20 minutes on preheated 400 Fahrenheit. This is what they look like inside. There's raisin in the center, two-tone,